Okay, I'll start. So I just wanted to welcome you all today. Thank you so much for everybody who's attended near and far to celebrate the first birthday of Francesca. Franchesca Ellain Charades. We're just waiting on more kids to arrive from the outside as they're on the rides. My name is Victoria Elaisane Fotumafi, and I'm one of Francesca's aunties. I have been assigned today to be your MC as we celebrate the first birthday of Franchesca Ellain Charades. Okay. No worries. Prior to the proceedings, we would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today. The Darug people, we would like to pay respect to the elders, past, present and emerging, and any Aboriginal Torres Strait people who are here today. O ko hufanga he whakatapu, kai ata moau, ke whai atu he ka whatungia me muani. For the remainder of today's program, I'll be speaking in English. As you may all already be aware, Francesca's father, Christopher Giles, and her paternal family are tuning in live from the United States of America. So I'd like to call upon our esteemed VIP guests to the front table. Faifekao Vili Vaiafisi, if we could play a song to welcome our first VIP guest. He's not here, so I would like to call upon the next Faifekao. Faifekao Fihi He Kakala Kale Kale. Thank you. If you could come to the front table. Play a song, please, DJ. Thank you. I would like to call upon our next VIP guest, Galoni Sultana. If you can come to the front table. Galoni Sultana is Catalina's Mehikanga, and thank you so much for attending Francesca's first birthday today. Our next VIP guest, we've got Telesia Punshu. She's one of Francesca's great-grandmothers. So if we could play a song for Telesia Punshu. The next VIP guest that we've got on the list that I call to the front is Milise Laftani. Can I call on Milise Laftani? If you can come to the front table, please, and DJ play a song. Thank you. The next VIP guest that I'd like to call to the front table is Nauli Vakauta. Nauli Vakauta, if you can come to the front table, you're one of the VIP guests for today. Music, please. Now that we have all of the VIP guests at the front table, I'd like to call on the entrance. The first entrance will be Francesca's maternal grandparents, Faifekawa Amihuti and Nena Akata. DJ, play a song. Francesca's maternal parents play a very important role in Francesca's life. They are the pillars of the family, so we thank you for making your entrance today. The next entrance, I'd like to call upon Francesca's first cousins, her first set of siblings on her maternal side, as she is the 15th grandchild out of 18. So if I could call on Francesca's first cousins, the DJ will play a song, so come on in. Thanks, CJ. So before we welcome the birthday girl, I would like to share some details of Francesca's life so far. As you might already know, we've got kids in the family, so We'll just wait till they form themselves. So Franchesca Ellain Charades was born on the 8th of February 2024. She was welcomed by her parents, Christopher and Catalina Giles. She's their first child. Francesca has spent all her life in the western suburbs of Sydney, close to her older first cousins, whom she loves and adores, as you can see at the front here in the middle today. She is half Tongan and half American. Her American father migrated to Australia in 2022 to pursue her mother. He's originally from Louisiana, America. Although her paternal side is not present here today, they are here in spirit, and they send all their love. Francesca's favourite foods are eggs and tomatoes. She enjoys being outdoors with her parents, and she loves her little first sister, Passion. She loves to watch every music video of Josh Dadofi, Miss Rachel, and the music video clip for Stanky Leg, courtesy of her father. Francesca was baptised on the 30th of June 2024 by her papa, Waifikawa Amihuti Mwala, at the Good Shepherd Wesleyan Church. She loves other children and she's very clingy to her parents. Now her party was postponed due to family commitments. Now, without further ado, please be up and standing. So if I could ask everybody to stand while we welcome the birthday girl, Franchesca Ellain Charades, who will be escorted by her uncle and Whaehuki, Patrick Bascala, along with her big sisters, Catalina Rose Bascala and Malia Akata Bascala, as well as her parents, Christopher and Catalina Giles.
Wait a minute. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. 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 I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause I know you got it here. Where you lead me, Lord, I will go. I have no fear 'cause I know who's in control. I'm ready to what you do 'cause it all belongs to you. Yes, it all belongs to you. You're almighty and all powerful. It all belongs to you. Yes, it all belongs to you. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. 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 I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause I
Thank you, Francesca, for having us here today. If everybody can take their seat, and can all the kids go to their tables and chairs in the middle here, all the kids in the room? That would be good. So we can wait for Francesca to sit in her chair and start the program. That was a wonderful entrance by Francesca's parents and her baya Nikki, as well as her siblings. We're just waiting on the birthday girl to settle in, as she looks beautiful in her chair today. I would like to call upon Faifegal Fihi Hekakala Kale to come and perform the opening prayer for today.
Malo. Fatap ki afia to tayo tua tau roto toma. Tabu mo fanao e. Fatap ki kato si tamafu. Moha mata ko. Wada fatap ki kalon tapi kabilis kafile ki. Fatap mo ni ki kau tangan tadi di festival, tapi mual, muha soal itu atau pada bukan di kahine PFT yo aho Francesca Ellain pada jadi nak ke tandai kia Francesca ye pada que tengo un todo apel al family porque hay una ofa o cau ma cau fata e tu que fala moni a tau que o tua ko fai ma cau na ko e o ne ho si ai ma tau ta e a ho ko le pege kamata e tau ka to ma ko le ki fai pecao a mi moi que fai a tu pe lawat tau hibi takahir dia te lawat mo tau le son tahabe ngai le son ya ahli takahir dia te fahau kwa tu aki popo te fai tau rotu malo Ibrahim kamata ela vou voltar e o fome foi feito no fogo uma fala em mim fa feito fa o tal ria se roa oia o eu e gai teu tu enoa oia o eu tene como o har o e feita te dewa keina na ama o Yahweh.
Oh, without me,
Vesi fausi, oye de tau ki monuni, oya oe ofa. Oe lauma, ui, oya oe ofa. Inu he vai whanonga,
Taliene folofola. Maka ia si ono fofonga. O ia Jehova. Folofola e lau matau tolu ia oni. Tuhai e sa me ua tolu. O e sa me a te rita. O e sa me pe ia o e ahoni. Ko hoku tauhia si hova e ika i te umasiwa. O kune whakatokoto au e ngai toa whalau mukumuka. O kune taki au e ngā iwa i whakanonga. Ko hoku lau maarie o kune whakafo. O kune taki au e ngā i hala o e maa o ni boni. Ko hono uhi ngāe, ko hono hua whape. Io, neo mo e te harupe, i e te rea o maru akia i a mate. He gai te umana wahe ki hakohi, he kokoi o kuma whiohi. Ko si o toko mo a kau, o kuna whakawha whemari e iau. O ku ke teu mai i o ku au a te pire. Ka hoku ngai whiri, o si o me he. Ko ke pani lolo hoku ulu, o ku whonu mahua a e kuipu. Tā e tō piri mai a e lelei mo e alofa. I hoku ngahi a hoku toa. Pea koe unofo i te whare o si owa. E whai me o lau i kua. Amen.
Whamaro ke whaiwhekau, lava e hime a hakoin, ke kola wholofola. Ko kore ke u whamaru atu pe, ke tala whatapu kakato, ko kamata ke tau whio hi angu. Ko e a hakoin, ka tāpua mohoku, ke whaipeha ki popo no, i here soni nai lau. Taimi na ku mawai e tala koeni ke u lotu e tautaha koeni o Francesca. Ko e fufua mea pena ku whaike whawhetai ke reuti. I e whainga maari e o e aha koeni. Pena ku sia rewa ki here sone aha koeni. Pa ki here sone kore aho ni, here sone whakoroa. Koe same ua tolu. Same koe ni u tau anga maheli kotoa, talo e tau tupu hake. Koe same ni u hanga he tau mātua, o a kohi ki tau tolu ki tau lau maulot, talo pe tau tupu hake. Pea koe ngai taimilahi u tau toa i ki whaingata. Koe ngai vesi peni, koe sa bene u tau whakalau roto ki ai i e taimi o e whaingata. Koe koloa nei mahu. I e kusi o ke sa me koe ni. Ai mahu inga ki he tangata whau sa me. Ai mea koe tau sipi. Koe fuafua he aki pe o e sa me o kuni ngā ue aki ko hoku tau hia sio ko the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Ngā ue aki he sa me ai tau hisipi ke whakahoa ki he otua. Ko e otua, ko ia ho tau hisipi le rei. Ko tau hisipi le rei, the good shepherd guide us and protect us from all the trouble we're going through. If we all get that good shepherd, we won't be fear of any situation we're going through. The psalm is on his psalm, he lead us into grass, into green pasture, and he lead us into quiet water. He look after us wherever he see is good for us. He lead us there. Kako sa me whawhetaia ko hia ko e tautahai o ki kaunanga koe o whemauia ke iai ke ne whanonga mo i tau hilere. She need to the good shepherd to go with him. Without him, we will be nothing. Kako tau hilere o ka noa kia e whao sa me koe o kune taki ki tau toru ke ngā ngoe o kulau mokumuka o kune hanga taki ki tau toru ke ngā i whai o whakanonga ka koe whawhetaya ngai e tau maui ko hia koe sa me koe o kune omi ke whanonga mo i lei i hene whanonga leo o kune kei kahine and that's the hope we have. She will have the good shepherd with her on her journey. Even though I walk through the valley and the shadow of death, I shall not fear. Ko te mau koe ai tauhile neo mo kute whanonga i he tere au kumarua kia ai mate. Hei kai te umana wahe ki hako. Heo kute mau i a tauhile rei ko Jesus Christ. Ko ia e tau whaamu i he ahoni. Mo e tau amanaki. Whanonga ai kaunanga koe ni. I hono tau taha. Kau tau whaamoni. Ko ne au sia e ahoni. Ko ia pe ko tau hilerei ko whai e o tua mai ne mohu. Pa ko tau whaamu ia, ke hoko atu e ne mohui, hoko atu e ne whanonga, o kune whanonga mo e tau hilerei. Tā mai he tangata whakasame, o kuke teu mai i hoko ao ha te pire, ka ko hoko ngā whiri o sio mehe. O kuke pani lolo hoku uru, o whonu mahua e kuipu. E tā e tau piri mai a le rei koe alo o whai hok ngāhi a hoko toa. Pea koe unofo i e whare o si hova. E whai peo lau i ko. Koe a e whakaamu o ku tau whai he ahu koe. A e tau whakaamu ki he kaunanga koe. Ke hoko a si hova koe tau hile rei he te whanonga o whai. Tau whakaamu ia ki he we hope for the parents to have the good shepherd, to give her in the life that we wanted to know Christ as the shepherd, to know Christ and to follow him. If we all know Christ as a shepherd for our life, he will lead us, he will protect us from any enemy or any situation what we go through. if we have the good shepherd with us, we will not fear for anything. Koia e talamonu mo e popoaki kia Ellain, Franchesca Ellain, ki e ne whanonga o kuwhai i he moui koeni ofa ke ne maho. A sisu ka isi ko e tauhile rei, pe koia ke ne whanonga maluai i he whanonga o kuwhai me taimi ki tā niti. Amen. Korea to kia whaiwhekau, a minuti moa, ka tā mai mua ke tā bua kia Ellain, whai e tau lotu. Kamata e tau lotu, e tau lotu. Ke tā bua ke mai koe e Sihova mo ne tau hi. Ke whakaulo mai e Sihova no fofonga ke te koe mo ne ofa. Ke haa mai fofonga mai e Sihova ke te koe o ne atu e ni narino. O tua koe mau tamaita e ngata aho a whiona. Aho whakakoloa e ni uku mau ununu mai. Ko ia koe hokosia he kaunanga koe Ellain, Francesca, aho no tau taha i he aho koe. Ku mau whakawhetai ko ia koe sāne me koe ni mua ke omi, ko ho mau whakahiko hino, ko koe ho mau tau hi he kai te mau masi. Koe mōni he mōni o tua, ka mau ai hawhiona ko ho mau tau. He kai te mau masiva i ha mea kai. He kai te mau masiva i ha mea i. He koe a whiona o kuke hanga o whakakato. Ka ke whakakato ai mau ngā whie mau. O whakatatau ke ngāhi hori a ho mau ngāhi loto. Mau whawhetai ko i ha koe tau hia a ho a whioni. Ku hā sino ia Francesca Ellain. I he au sia hono tau taha malo i he au koe. Mau whawheta, o ke omia e tamai koe whae ke hoko koe tau. Ka ku hange, koe lau koe ko ki mato, koe kau tau ko ki peki mato. O ke aho o ku ngata ai e mau tau hi mo e mau kuwha. Ia mau ika, pe koe haa e ngau e whiri o kuwhai. Ka koe aho ni o ku whai ho mau whakahino hino. Koe a whiona o ku ke whai pe ho mau tau hi. O a o ki he pāha mga o tai. Whawhetai a ngai mau moui. O mau whakamoni a whamiri mga he kau ngā mahe ni he aho koe. Koe tau hile rei te aho a whiona. A la ta mai whakamore more. Whai hono tau hi ho kau na ngā. I e whanonga o ku whai mei taimi ki tāni. Neo mo ku ne kei tāhi ne gautara mai. A tua ko mai whanau lolotonga e nau kei tamasi. O kana nau kau mo tua. Hei kai te uhiki ne ai. Hei ki ko ia e mau lotu i he whiaskoen. Whakoloa mai e tamai mo e whae e he tau ki o ku whai. Pea pehe ki he kau ngā mahe ni. Agata pepe he kami hut, ke ngahe pōpō o ku whai, ala tamai whakaivia ki nau tōru, me he iwi a hoa whiona. Mauhanga ha ke ko hia koe kātoanga koe, tōri a se tāte ke mama, tuku ke te mau kātoanga koe a whiona. I longa ha ki himea si tōru ke tuku mo kau kai lo whai mai, whaarot mila ki na koe tokai whananga. Ko le roto a ngai mea no Christ. Nā kia ngō i ka mau kalotu pia ke mau rea o ke here. Kama kama ikijevan kita hawa ya mai ho pule fa firma nge ko yelan de mama so na hon na ma ga kai ke na so mo ma wa ya ma nge ko na fa mo na to fa te o na wa ma to ga ya ha ma to de fi de wo wa pule ko ma lo mo ko hi ko ta ma ke ta ma malo tuang ya senga bali ko ni my family ke ho kwa tu ta ko ka malo
Thank you so much to both reverends for the opening prayer, as well as Franchesca Ellain Charades first blessing. So, without further ado, the next item on the program that we've got today will be Francesca, who will blow her cake. And Francesca's been so well behaved so far, so thank you, darling, for being so good today on your birthday celebration. Now that Francesca's ready to blow her cake, I would like to ask everybody to stand up, and all the kids, if they can come to the front here. All the kids in the room, I ask all the kids to come to the front so they can help sing happy birthday to Francesca today. All the kids in the room, if you can come to the front. Every single kid, I can see all of you. Francesca's cousins, Francesca's friends, if you can come to the front. Every single kid, don't be shy. We're here to celebrate Francesca's first birthday today. So now that we're ready, thank you, Iverson, for lighting Francesca's birthday cake. Once we light the birthday cake, we'll sing happy birthday, including all the kids at the front here today. Boy, Iverson. All right, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Francesca. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Now we've got some sparklers happening, so I want the kids to help me count down from 3 to 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, everybody clap your hands and think they play a song. Can I get all the kids to start clapping your hands? And louder, clap louder. Hey, start sitting down in the chairs and everybody making their way to their chairs. Thank you so much to all the kids. After all, it is a kid's first birthday, so we thank you to all the little ones who could make it here today. I'd like to, so the next item is calling everybody one by one for each family to come up to the stage and take photos with Franchesca Ellain, Garloni, Sultana and family. If you can come up and take photos with Francesca, and I'll call all the families one by one to come and take photos with the birthday girl today. Yep, the front table, all of the front, yep, the 5 for girls. Yep, all the VIP guests, front table. Now that you're here, please come and take a photo with Francesca. All of the front table. The steps here. Francesca's grandma, great-grandmothers and grandmas. Akata, Aminuti, grandparents. Francesca's cousins. Francesca's cousins, Linda's siblings. Francesca's aunties and uncles. I'm cooking Akata and Naomi, please. I'm cooking Akata and Naomi. Don't hesitate, photos. Linda's brothers and sisters, Bessie, Famu, Willie. Oh yes, most importantly, Sam and Soy, our family from New Zealand. Thank you for making it all the way from overseas. While we're waiting, while the family's taking photos, I'd like to start from table number 1. If lunch is served, lunch is in front of the bar, starting from table number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Lunch is being served, buffet in the bar. Thank you. Because of you, I get to table number 1 and table number 10 to go grab some lunch from the buffet, and then we'll move on to the next 2 tables after that. So before we actually eat our food, and when you sit down, we definitely got to say a prayer before we eat our food for today. After we take the photos and get your food, table by table, we'll sit down, we'll say a prayer before we eat. It's very important. Thank you. And asking anybody else who wants to take photos with Francesca. If you'd like to take a photo, please come up to the front while she's in an excellent mood, baby. You've been so good today on your birthday. Well done, baby girl. And I need you. Next tables, we've got table number 8 and 2. Number 8 and 2, if you can grab your food from the buffet, take a seat, and then we'll say a prayer before you start to eat. Very important to pray before you eat. Stanley. Next tables, if they can come and serve, grab their food, take a seat with your food, and before we eat, we'll say a prayer. Everybody can go grab their food now. I'd like to ask everybody, please grab your food from the buffet over there in front of the bar. Once you all take a seat, and once the photos are done, we'd like to start the prayer for the food as soon as possible.
I
ne fai qua lo che ma mi trovani che tal kamata debile.
Ke tau lotu, mau fitai a koe, o tuku ke whahoko, e mau amana ki, mau tuku talere mai ni a koe. Mau rea whata rewa mo sa ne, o mau tau ki a si hoa, e igai te mau. Si kai, igai te mau hongerere, igai te mau. Tō ia whai kata. Ai vea whiu whahoko whatongia ni mātonu e me tahi me wana ai birthday koe. Rua u mau koe ki a koe, a whiu mai ni mea toko ni koe. Ai roa e ho iki, ka pehe ni a ki mātonu no kotoa. Ai ne birthday e, a moe whāwiri, mau koe ki a koe, whai tāwe kina ni mātonu, ki e wafa i kamai, a moe aro, rau maari maari. Amen.
Thank you, Father God, for saying the prayer for our food today. If anyone else hasn't taken photos with Francesca, please do so now. Oh, she's an amazing. While we're taking photos, there's a 360 camera at the back there for everybody to make use of. There's also pancakes at the back there, mini pancakes. If you guys want to grab some pancakes, they're probably getting set up, but it'll probably be ready later on. There's also rides, plenty of rides outside for the kids. There's go-karts. There's teacup ride, there's jumping castle throughout the event today, so the kids can have some fun. And yeah, enjoy.
My heart goes sha-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la.
Just like to ask the DJ if you can play some Tongan music, as requested by your aunties. Thank you. There's plenty of food at the buffet station over there in front of the bar. And also another reminder, if you'd like to purchase some beer, spirits or wine, feel free to do so at the bar. Other than that, if I could call on all the girls in the Ngātoa family, Halamehi, Whaia, Whangu, Wana, Taylor, Anna. outdoor family to come up to the front while we do the next item on the program. Kaya, Mary, Bessie, Samu, Juana, Taylor, Anna, Dara, Sienna, all the older girls in the family, if you come to the front, so we can do the next item on the program, which is the Owa or Yeke. It's a traditional cake ceremony. It's a traditional cake giving ceremony that is organised by the maternal side at any special Tongan function. And I'm just calling on all the older girls from the Gardor family to come up to the front while we do the cake giving ceremony, which will be conducted by one of Catalina's grandmas, Telesia Kato Bunshu. So once the girls are ready, we'll start the cake giving ceremony. Thank you. And while we after Francesca's done with her 360 camera photos at the back there, she can come to the front. She's been such a good girl for today, well behaved. I think it was the day that she was born on. Well behaved, patient. You've been so good today, darling. Keep going.
Thank you all the girls here. Yes. All right. Te uhupanga e whakatapu o Sarafai. Kei ata ua mo opu, e whakahoko atu, ai whatongia o i whakawhae. Aia koe keke ulu aki. Mulaka peke vale I asked the DJ once I read out the presentation, I'm going to give you, Nisha, I'm going to give you like a sign and then you can play the song until it's presented to the person, yes? Thanks, Nisha. Now we might. Koe keke ulo aki. O kuto aki, ai kie ha moa, mohono sila, koe tahamano. Kohono wala. Koe lau te au. Malo. Now we got that. Penny. Thank you. Are we ready? Okay, now it's really loud for all, yeah? Malo. Yeah. Come, Sarah. Sarah, join the group up here, yeah? Okay, because the papa is aware. Hello. Hello, Sarah. Anyone else? Are we still counting? I'm pretty sure we have what we have announced, the 10 cranes. Ngawe kaka. Oh yeah. Malo. Kumawe. Okay. Oh yeah. In the meantime, the girls are trying to get all the goods that we supposed to present. Right at the front, Malo, Anna. So what? Oh yeah. Jessica, can I please call you to come to the front? Oh yeah. I will continue. Now the girls are all ready. Okay. They don't repeat at the time again. Kau ke ulwaki to aki ai ki ha amo. Pemono sila ko tahamano ai uto hitamaiki. Ko hono wala ko lau teau ai leo pui mua. Pemono nofo anga. Ko fala pao mo fute ni manoa etaha. Fala pao mo fute e wanoa e fa. Fala pao mo fute tahani mai taha. Afiaki ai ngatu lau te fuhi. Vela. Pea mo e ngatu lau nima ewa. O fuaki pea ui kotoa eni. I fahu o Franchesca Ellain Charades. Aya ko tu pefine lahi kahayo Chris. Franchesca Ellain Charades. Let's give it a big hand. Thank you, girls. Now you can present. No. Where you going? Hello. Thank you, girls. Now you can present your okay, small fire. Thank you, teacher Nisha. We presenting I fahu kia Chesi e ko si mahino pe Chesi ai tutu ni hono mahikanga na fai kia pas kia malo. Thank you, Nisha. Koe keke hono wa. O kuto akia. Ai fatufa. Keke hono wa kuto akia ai fatufa. Falafihu wanoa. Afia ki e fuatanga. Pea mohono sila koe wafe. O fuaki pea uyeni. Ke fai fekau o pulela a. Ko Reverend Fihi kare kare. Pas pas pagi ai. Hey, ding. Malo. Koe koloan hoko. O buie i he tau whai te kau. Ko ari puti moala. Koe puatanga mono. Pakuiai mono sila. Koe ni mange au. Mo pas mai ki ai. Malo ya mo huti. Thank you, Nisha. Kekoloan hoko. O kuya ki ai fala alfi. Pe mai tu anga I taulunga chesi o sen patung fai taulunga pe toki para hoko e kolo ko ni. Pe kuya I mohono sila ko I wangeau pe aku yeli I he fahu o Katarina ko Mrs. Kaloni Sadana. Give it up again. Sampai Kaloni tok sai tarunga Malo. Thank you, Nisha. Koiki kolo hoko. O kuya ki ai fuatanga pia mono. Fuakieni kia mirise. Ngono sila kaiwang yaw. Pas pakiay. Malo. Mari kata-kata ya ko. Malo. Iyo ang pito ko ya ko tayo. Ko ki famu na no ko mai. Ko ki pagalaw no pen. Kihe pangafae. Okuyaya mono. Pia moi fuatanga. O okuyai pahamono sila. Ko paangai wangeau. Okuyin itahine. O falakika. Katoa. Now go pas mai kiai.
As you follow him,
Thank you, Nisha. Bye. Tao wiki atu ki he kolohon hoko. Opa mori pe na ya e kau to mai. O kuya kendi ai mono mohono fuatanga. O kuya ni he fai pe kau pili. Ma e pisi pe mohono sila ko e lima keau. Mo pas pai kiai. Malo, Nisha, thank you so much for the teacher. Let's give a big hand to Nisha for the good work she's doing. Woo! Just reminding you that our whole event is live. And all of Chris, Franchesca Ellain Charades families are watching from America. Let's give them a big hello. Hello. Hi, good family. Hello. Koi program malevan hoko. Now the birthday girl is going to do an item. We just continue with the music. Thank you, Nisha. In the meantime, please, Jessie, can you change so you can do your ta'alungan now? Hello. Hi everyone, please, this is the final call for lunch. For those who haven't had anything to eat, this is your time to please get something to eat before they take it away. And from now on, we are going to continue with the entertainments, yes? Thanks everyone. Thanks Nisha.
While the kids are having fun with all the rides outside and Francesca's getting ready to perform her item for today, if anybody else in the room has any entertainment that they would like to share with everybody today, feel free to let me know, and then we'll get that going after Francesca performs the item. As I said, the bar's over there to my right. There's rides out there for all the kids to ride on. And yeah, enjoy yourselves while the DJ plays a few songs until Francesca gets ready for her first item. So thank you for your patience. Thank you.
dance, dance, blow the way up. Tonight is danger, place your wager. You ain't never seen paradise, let me tell you. Don't find you, anybody don't find you. Samay Sofika, find my way to Mushika. Don't find you, anybody don't find you. Samay Sofika, find my way to Mushika. Watch a girl, move your body, make them boom back. Kill 'em, make them come. You got the legends in the monkey. You want to bump. Fire birds. Pone de espalda y culo. Te dicen a romper music culo. Vaya no se me pega culo. Quiere que yo le rompa el culo. A nadie que te una llora. Si te me pegas un maldad, te mata. A mí te va a pelear, si la boca que yo no da. Hey, ding-a-ling-a-ling, your style my style, are you bumping it? Ding-a-ling-a-ling, your style my style, are you bumping it? Ding-a-ling-a, your style my style, ding-a-ling-a, your style my style, are you bumping it? Tick-tock, 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 why you back it up? I don't think that you know that, See the pegas on my dad, I can come up and let them See the pegas, you know that, Hey, ding-a-ling-a-ling, just style my style, are you bumping it? Ding-a-ling-a-ling, just style my style, are you bumping it? Ding-a-ling-a-ling, just style my style, ding-a-ling-a-ling, just style my style, are you bumping it? Pull up and listen to this all I talk. Let me think you know how give me back. Tell them what's them in a front contract.
Thank you, DJ, for playing those amazing songs. For those of you who don't know, the DJ here today is Francesca's first cousin. Thank you, DJ. Tanisha and Yamada, thank you for DJing today. But I'd just like to call everybody to come inside. All the kids. I know they're having so much fun on the rides outside, but if all the kids and everybody could come inside, just so we can start the entertainment items. Just calling on everybody from the outside to come in. Once everybody's inside, then we'll announce Francesca to come inside. She's now ready. She's been so good today. Francesca's now waiting in the middle. She's so patient. Is everybody inside from the outside? Francesca's cousins and aunties are just sitting behind Francesca in support of her traditional item on Franchesca Ellain Charades' first birthday today. I'd like to thank you all for coming and being so patient. Hopefully you are all full now. There's pancakes at the back, near the glass doors at the back there, if you are all feeling like you would like some desserts. So now I would like to announce Francesca's item for today. As you can see, we've got Francesca's parents, Christopher and Kathleen Giles. So DJ, if you're ready to play a song, cool. Francesca, thank you. Thank you so much, Francesca. Your attitude today and the way you have been today is a testament to how you've been to your parents since you've been born. You've been a very good girl today. You've been so patient with everything today, and that comes from your parents and being good parents. If anybody has any items that they'd like to perform today or entertainment, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, until then, the DJ will keep on playing music. And then I'd like to invite everybody to the dance floor. Don't be shy. Today's all about enjoyment for Francesca's first birthday. So the DJ will start playing songs so that you all can all enjoy.
Movimiento sexual, movimiento muy sexy, movimiento muy sexy. Ya que se viene sola, con este baile que suena. Baila, baila, esto suena. Para usar esto suena. Para manejar esto suena. Y los correos bailan así, 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 así. Todo el mundo la mano a la cabeza, todo la mano a la cabeza. Movimiento sexy, movimiento sexy. Toda mano a la cintura, toda mano a la cintura. Movimiento sexy, movimiento sexy. Y ahora empiezo a manejar. Suavecito para abajo, para abajo, para abajo. Suavecito para arriba, para arriba, para arriba. Suavecito para abajo, allá abajo, allá abajo. Suavecito para arriba, para arriba, para arriba. ¡Bomba! Sensual, un movimiento sensual, sensual, un movimiento muy sexy, sexy, un movimiento muy sexy, sexy. Y aquí sale un con este baile que suena. Para bailar esto suena, para gozar esto suena. Las mujeres lo bailan, los hombres lo bailan, las mujeres lo ponen, las discotecas lo ponen, toda la gente lo baila. Y las mujeres lo bailan así, 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 así. Todo el mundo una mano a la cabeza, una mano a la cabeza. Un movimiento sexy, un movimiento sexy. Una mano a la cintura, una mano a la cintura. Un movimiento sexy, un movimiento sexy. My bestie and your bestie, she's got fire. Your bestie says she wants parties, so can we make these things go higher? Talking about start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze with big palm trees. I tell you like talking about talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Echo, echo, chucking more fina, chucking more fina. I tell you I'm ready. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, be rewinding. Take it to the island way. Yeah, baby mama, throw your dancing shoes. One drop of popcorn, I'll get you to the next level. Jam in this small jam way, jam in this small jam way. My bestie, your bestie, dancing by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make this place go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey Salaman girl straight up, right roots in mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. At times we party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming all the reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. We jumping on the beat, make it slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the island sea. Grab your shoes and to my tooth and I'm shining bright like light. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, talking about it,
Yes, one time we got the low now. Take it to the max now. Turn it in the small time. Wind it.
wind up the road, wind up the road. Push your body back, we go left, we go right. Turn it the road and wind up,
Hello.
push your body back, we go left, we go right. Turn it the road and go wide. My bestie, your bestie, say right.
Nisha.
Your bestie says you want my
Thank you, Nisha. Okay, moving forward with our entertainment. She's going to announce.
Yeah. Kole pe mo ke ku fama fata ku ko oceano faya to talu mama fana bene boni tu ko eli a kata pe mo e fai fe ka pure la o ko ilo pe o ku to a ko a ki mo ko na a holi ko ai ko e fa fi no a ia pe ia ta ka be la tau me ave ku omi tau kawai. Is the camera on me? So ha pe fa ina me au o kala na bi tau to. Pe tau kawai. Ke tau kau he la. Ta ngoi ofa tu Francesca. Ya te ko mu ma to ai sai na lo.
Thank you.
But they got like a fancy, just hit it, any song. Francesca, please take the money off right here.
ki a ho e ki o ku mea I wharen. Pea pehe foki ki a haa mata pure o ku mea. Pea pehe foki a haa whai te kau. O sio me ke kau whai te kau kuna si maa loloa e nau lofo. Ka neo moia e hua tonga ki tau o lunga ku anu. O si tau o lunga koni o koko, ke tau o lunga ia e si whanga whae. Pea kumau mea mai pe, ke tau o lunga ka e whanga whae. Nau pe songo koko. Mahalo pe si e mau ke koko e. Ka neo moia ka te whai ha mau lau e whai pe kakao. O iai, ka te hape ai mau, e hape se mau ki te teki o mau, he kau pensoni, o ia pe. O ia koe atu ia misa, ka imai ai hala horo mui. Ko koe tasi a kato maa whanga, malo.
Kalau bagi usaha dengan selatan bos alfa kan mimani kalau kau lihat ke apa tapi sama saya kalau bingwa ko soy mo ame kita kalau mulai mai yang ini kau hai haka kau tak kaya sana keuntungan o agata ki motu ako sabeli ame kita sisi ya agata Kalau mau pergi lihat di daerah Palangi ke Mahino ke Chris. On behalf of Sare and myself, we've come from little old New Zealand to the continent. And Chris would like to thank you for looking after Sare's princess.
Oh, yes!
Catalina Foggia has always been known as Savelio's princess. He never calls any of our daughters a princess, only Catalina. When Catalina was young, she came to New Zealand, I think at the age of 11, and stayed with us for 2.5 years. And I remember one of the first arguments my husband and I had was when I asked Catalina to do the dishes. Someone said, my princess doesn't do the dishes. So I had to go and tell Catalina, let me do the dishes. But Chris, thank you for this amazing party. Thank you. A huge expense, but everything's beautiful. God's given us the wonderful weather so the kids can enjoy the playground outside, and given us all the family and friends to make time to come and be here because your princess, Jessie, is that important. Lena, someone was angry at me. He goes, "Why are you going to do that? We got no money." And I said to Sawe, there's a Tongan saying, we don't have any money. Chissy, Chris? But that's okay. Puti has all the money in the world. I gave to you today. When we always come to Australia, we're always coming to something for Catalina. So Sawe has been Catalina's whaihoki from day one. And he will continue to be Catalina's whaihoki forever. Chris, in our Italian custom, Sawe Lago is very loyal to Catalina. And as I mentioned, this is his princess that you have as your wife. And we know that you're treating her as a princess too. So thank you again. Lina, kaya mea mau ho ki whai tangata ho whai te riha ana. Ko ni rere mai pei ki hao whai ho pui. Hao a le mo o hiki holo e umea ke ahoni. Au kaya ne tola mau ke tola taha pene te ki ka ne sino ne whakaha ki ne ofa kia koe. Au ne li o amai ne awatoa tuke whanau ngai mea ka le mai ahoni ke whamahino atu Catalina. You're still his princess. You'll forever always be his princess. Thank you, DJ. Ma ofa lahi atu ke kutau no kotoa. This song's dedicated to our grandma, Malesina Beginde, Fasia Wafanga. Whakatau kia Francesca, o maratunga e tau whakatata mai ke maumalu o e whare koe li, e a koe li. Whakatau ke tangata e whai whekau nei te tākau tolu i he o waulotu. Koe aho li, ka kōkore ke mwhanga atuai i ngā whakatau koe e bōsi o Frankie. Ka ata e whainga maari e koe li ke hoko ata e ki ka runga koe li. Ka kore a peke hoko ata he rea whapari ka taku ngā ko Chris. Ka tunga mea Chris. Chris, my name is Oficiola. I'm an in-law like you into this family. The dance before you is Katarina's auntie, Nana Kaloni, to the rest of us. And they come from an island called Mamuka. It's a beautiful island in Tonga, one of a kind and it's special, but they swam all the way from Mamuka to be here today in Londonderry to say thank you to Francesca, to give thanks to God and to celebrate with family and friends here today. And we thank you, Chris, and just to show our happiness for today and today's occasion, we'd like to do this little dance. So Francesca, please join your family from Mamuka. They're very happy to be here and to share in your celebration of your day. Hello. Kora beke hufana e whatapu o osi hana tuku atu. Kai tuku mua heni ke whai atu e ki tarunga koe ni, koe whaki whanau koe ni. Koe taha pe ia e whaki whanau e tungane o rina. Na uroto pe kau parang koe ni ke na urumao. O ai hana ki tarunga whaha moa. Pa koe kumono pe na usila ki loto ki he. Kai ke mai ka nena ke sio ki ai. Koya Elina and Chris, Jessie, ko mo ki pui angani pagfana ko ni kapu. Ko hape na ki fasi etu watu mo fia pe ai. Ko ya etu ko pe ke na atane na ki fasi mahalo ko na usia ko pe ko ki fas fahaboa ke pagalo mama ta ke tau lofo. Pe akore atu heni ke utalunga ko ni o kutoe pe ta minite tahanima. Gato ai kau talunga ko ni na usio na ya ko te kai na wa mai. Pave kai pa mo fahalo mama mo te ki kadena. Ko ya pe malo. Maria, foto api dah habis soalnya. Kau masih dia yang kau pilih benar tu.
Usile fa fofona, asina, leo la le tama, tamu so selo. Konima. Sing so lonely, I'm not too avoid tiny every in the body, shot the fail, no, I eat the time, no sana. Yeah, the man that's one, to somebody that if I only I in the town, I feel so we don't see alone, my side. It's you, I le pacifica. Oh, I know my God, when they follow,
We have another item that one of our scholar sisters is going to announce. Thank you.
Kone ke maupufanga atu he ngahi tala whakatampu. Kai ata ke whakahoko atu ai ki whakameite tu ako e ni. Ko e kuhingoa, ko Kasanita Tawelangi Bailey. Ko e lahi au, ia Ana Maria Pascala. Ko e taolunga ko e ni, ko e taolunga o e whae tangata o Franchesca Giles. Ko Patrick Pascala, pia mo Ana Pascala. Mo e nau ki whanau ko e ni, o kunau whai atu ai whakameite ko e ni. Ko Maria Agata Pascala Jr. Ko e ofewhine lahi eni o Patrick mo Ana Pascala. Pia ko e namesake eni ai whae o Patrick Pascala. Pia mo Catalina Giles. Ko e tamasi tu la whane, ko Daniela Pascala Jr. Mo e Sisi Taha, o e whanau, ko Mele Delecia Pascala Jr. Francesca, o kui kai ke iai ha mea e mau he famili masiva ko e ni. These children will never forget the love and humble auntie they have, who is Te Mehe Kitanga, who is your mother, Catalina Giles. We really appreciate all your love and support, Catalina, towards these children. I kai ke iai ha mea e mau he family masiva koe ni. Koe ki paanga pe e uafe. Ke whakatau aku ka o ki lole for your birthday. Kole ki he whangaki Thomas koe ni a Francesca. Ke nau totolo aku ke hui e Francesca e nau tola taha. Ka koe tō mea lahi taha ko Ana Maria Pascala. Francesca, these doormats of yours are available 24/7, every day and every night and every morning. If you need anything, Francesca, for example, money, or you need a ride to go to, if you need to go somewhere, or you need to go shopping, or you need someone to carry you everywhere, please remember to call on these doormats, especially your biggest doormat, Ana Maria Pascala. Okumau ofa lahi aku Francesca and happy birthday. DJ Tamai Hafasi. Malo. Sorry, can we do just 1 minute dance for the birthday girl, please? Happy birthday to the princess of the day. For the parents, we are here with these kids. Just do a dance for the birthday girl. And show we were blessed on Sunday. She came to our White Day Sunday, White Sunday, to our church. And yeah, we were very happy. Please be continuing on coming to the Sunday school every Sunday. Yeah, we are so happy and to have her with us from our church. She joined our Sunday school. So yeah, sorry, Chris, we don't have much. Yeah, but yeah, happy to be here to join our birthday today. Just 1 minute dance. Kita main di arena bolina pelantah di Tobal. Biar kalau Chelsea be, fago kotoa di Nato. Pakai kamar parang di mana mau marka apa yang Nato. Kue pagi mana kau ni kue Koe mabopuna eni me kolomotua. Pea moha moa. O kukore en mis, o pae koni. Moha kotake moha nau ane nie ke huke e chesi e tola. Na osi me fasia kukuri nato. Roke ane tola ke a chesi. Ane ka chesi ke hui. Lina kata ke to kato e kabare. Matilda, aveva lina che togliola. Goia, che ta voleva e fascina si hela e ta dani per te come ta magari da DJ che ta un po' qua come lo sai. Đều tự bên cái tôi cô này bên cái tự bên hà và ta cùng tôi không muốn nói là tu đã có phụ mà lo ai ai tao cả nó hay làคนนี้แต่ว่าเราเป็นกระต่ายมาหาเสียงbởi vì nếu oxy Chris Lina cho nên kata gimana di kalian gue mau gue ketik dan kemana silanya ihe Fare ultimo tu che da aveva dato idea che Lina ya tenat pada tu rumah ya kita que una tecnica que no acabado el fo lao de botar kita la bongong Tôi ai thì cái tu có bao nhiêu cái tu asana apa hubungan ya tu ai hubungan family con orang Chris mau Lina kapal sisi kita la ini uno ngata ngate kue mau fa mo si ope no ope ko hai be am tau ma e ahon kai fa ilo nga ipe ne ope ko mo ya Chris ka nge ko la warina ton foke o ya e be hita la e fa la be ya ba ba lan ta ro be hita ke de ta to ka sai be mulai yo si o ba be hita ye nga hu foi ka ho ka ni lai ma ko sa be ke se ni tôi đi tặng mà đi rồi đi không có ai tụi em đi theo một đời là phá nào cả bên hệ phong kỳ kia mình cũng đi qua có phép được tao bằng á rồi nào cũng đi nào tôi hàng nào qua cái phá đó luôn rồi Maria please Algarina que huye Chelsea ngồi kỳ tổ lá cái ta học phá si cái Tôi don't want to make an eye on it. Tôi có thể party 24 hours. Tôi là busy. Khi mà mình làm cái gì đó, ta luôn ăn để xem là quay dance floor. Ta mai phát ya Shania please. Với hai phát si. Ta mai cái.
Vicky and Bessie song.
Moment.
Thank you for the amazing entertainment that we've had today from everybody, from Catalina's in-laws, which she does really appreciate everybody attending today and for enjoying. I hope everybody has enjoyed themselves today. Woo! I guess all the kids are outside having a good time anyway, which is good. While Francesca's getting changed, before we move on to the next item, I'd just like the DJ to play a few songs and for everybody to come on the dance floor and to enjoy themselves until the closing. Thank you.
Thank you. Tongan music. Thank you,
Wah, tapi kasi ay nafas mga tonga. Okay kung magwala.
Ay, napa. May maki una. Oh, yeah.
Ay po na wala to po. See you.
Just like to call everybody to come inside, and for all the kids who are here to take, make sure they take home a favour each. At the front there, next to Chesley's chair, there are a bunch of favours there. Thank you gifts from Chesley for the day. So I'm going to call all the kids to come inside so that they can get a favour bag each. Because the venue is, we're about to have our last couple of items on the program so that we can close off the event for today. So, calling all the kids from the outside. But until then, DJ will play a couple of songs. All the kids from the outside, can they please come inside so I can hand out your favours and thank you gifts from Francesca to say thank you for coming today. One box each.
Cintura, rodillas, piso,
Thank you for coming today. Calling all the kids from the outside. We've got boxes here from Francesca, filled with lollies and goodies for all of you wanting to take home. Calling all the kids from the outside. The venue's going to close shortly and we're going to do a thank you speech from Francesca's parents and a closing prayer to finish our event for today. So calling all the kids to come inside just so they can get a box each. Thank you for coming. Grab all your lollies and put inside your box. Are there any other kids outside? Are there any other kids outside so they can receive a thank you gift? The event's about to finish soon. Are there any more kids on the outside? Calling all the kids to come inside so they can get a box each. Oh, I see some running. Iverson. Come on, mate. Iverson. Kids, come inside. Kate Rose, all the kids. Kate Rose. All the kids, if you can sit down. Before we get the hand out, Francesca's parents, Catalina and Christopher Giles, just want to say thank you speech for everybody today. Can everybody come inside and take a seat? We need to close the event off so that Francesca's parents can do a thank you speech.
All right, I just want to thank everybody for coming out, the love and support, the dances, performances, the DJs, photographers, videos, the rides. Man, I thank everybody, man. Greatly appreciate it. My baby girl loved it. She want to talk right now. Alright, we love y'all, man. Thanks for everything. I'm speechless, man.
First of all, I would like to give thanks and praise to my God, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for bringing us all here today to celebrate our daughter Francesca and her first year of life. We give him all the glory for his goodness and kindness. His mercy is endless, and we are truly grateful for all he has done for me and my little family. Now, I had written a speech months ago, but when I opened it up to practice a few weeks ago, I found that my daughter had deleted the whole thing. I guess she deemed it boring and unbefitting. So I'll just start with my thank yous. Thank you to Whaiwhikau Whihi He Kakala Kale Kale, Whaiwhikau Vili Vaiawhisi, and Whaiwhikau Amihuti Moala for gracing us with your presence today and for blessing Francesca. Thank you very much. Thank you to my humble Mehitanga Kaluni Sultana for being here today and for being such amazing support since Francesca's birth. Thank you for being her nana on her papa's side. Thank you for all the gifts you have given her and all the love you have showered her with. Thank you also to our other guests of honor who have departed, but Nana Kika and Milise and Naoli for taking time to join us today. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here. Your presence is not taken lightly, for we know most of you could have been at work or school, but you've taken your time out to be with us in celebrating our girl. Thank you for your travels to be here, near and far, especially my uncle Saban Soy, coming all the way from Auckland, New Zealand. I appreciate you both. My poor uncle finished work and hopped straight onto a plane, then came straight to the venue to help set up. And he was here for 6 hours, no sleep. You guys are always doing the most when it comes to me, and I'm so grateful. A special shout out to Chelsea's Papa Faifika Amikuti. Happy birthday for yesterday. The day I gave birth to Francesca, Puti finished work and came straight to the hospital with his Bible. She was only a couple of hours earthside when she received her first blessing. Unbeknownst to her, she was prayed upon for the entire 9 months. She was also baptized by him last year. Thank you, Huti, for the love you have shown my daughter and our little family. Thank you to my mom, who has been extra since Chess's birth. Always extra with every grandchild, and Chessie was no exception. Thank you for being the best nana and for helping with the party, for her donors today, her entrance gown and her donut aluna. Your hands know no limits and everything is made with such love. It wasn't until I became a mother myself where I finally understood why we do the things we do, and I appreciate you so much. My amazing siblings, I couldn't pass today without giving you guys a shout out. When I found out I was pregnant, my siblings were just as excited as I was. We shed a lot of tears that day, and since that day you have spoiled my daughter so much. Today wouldn't have been possible with you all and your amazing partners. Taylor, Anna, Dai and Willie. Thank you guys for everything, for showing up and showing out every time without fail. I will forever thank God for the amazing support system I have in all of you. Thank you for helping me with today's celebration. From hair, makeup, cake, the milestone wall, kids' furniture, to the reception venue. I know we haven't slept this week, and I thank you all for your hard work. Nothing has gone unnoticed, and my dear brothers, Daniela and Gidel, wish you guys were here, but I thank you for your prayers. Thank you, Mesake and Siwakata, for our 360 booth today. Thank you to my sister Makasini Lega for all the sacrifice you have made this week. You are such a godsend and I appreciate you so much. Thank you to our amazing vendors today. DJ AJ, you're amazing shop. The Q Crew, Moe, My New Productions for the live stream. Siogata Creates for our lollybox pictures. Cheyenne for our photos. Thank you all. Thank you to our beautiful MC, Victoria Muffy, my beautiful sister. Thank you for always being there for me and taking on this role today. You're incredible. Last but not least, my handsome husband. Thank you for your patience, support, and love. We made 1 year with our girl, and today we finally got to celebrate with our family and friends. You have sacrificed so much to be here, with everything and everyone you've known back home in the US. I know if they could be here, they would, but I thank you for choosing me and our daughter every day. We love you so much. Again, thank you everyone for being here today. It really means a lot to us. If you know me, then you know that Francesca is a product of many prayers. I pray really hard for her, so thank you for being with us. And when you leave today, go with God. Thank you.
Every day that jolly, boy, you move your body. One for story, oh, we supposed to the party. No time to change mind.
Can I ask everybody to sit down, please, as we do our final closing prayer to close off the event for today. That was a beautiful speech from Francesca's parents. As I said before, her attitude today and her patience is a testament to her parents being amazing parents, because she's been so well behaved today. And as her mother mentioned, she was preyed upon. She's a product of God, and she's the reason why we are all here today. So we thank you to Francesca's parents for having us. I'd like to call upon one of our VIP guests to give us a closing prayer. Thank you.
Just before we finish our celebration today, I'd like to thank you, Chris, Gabriela, and Francesca. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for having us here today. We are very glad to celebrate this year's special day. I do know that everyone have a contribute from different directions, and there is a say, your show up today is the best ever encouragement to this family. And I'm assuring you that your time and the effort is the most precious thing ever happened in life, and that's why we're here today. All the best wishes in the arena, and the future it's very tough. Parents is not an easy job, but may God bless you and give you encouragement in life, even whatever happens. May you give us courage. Life is continuing. We pray. Thank you, Lord, for bringing this special girl into our lives. Her presence brings us so much joy and love. Thank you for choosing us to be her parents, to be her grandparents, to be her auntie, to be her uncle, to be her family, and to be her friends. So that we can encourage her and protect her and support her in the future of this life, of her life. Please God, protect her, guide her, and give Francesca, give her the reassurance of your love for her. In Jesus' name, as we pray, Amen.
Thank you for the closing prayer. Just calling all of the kids to come to the front so they can get their thank you boxes from Francesca. All the kids who haven't received any boxes so far, Francesca has prepared a gift box for every single one of you to say thank you for attending today. And while we give the kids a box each, the DJ can keep playing songs while the event shuts and closes and packs up. Okay, yeah, so the venue people have advised that the event we're done for today. So once the kids come collect their boxes, I think it's everybody's time to make their way out. And thank you everybody for attending today for this special event held by Francesca. So once again, all the kids that haven't received any gift boxes from Francesca, if they can come to the front. and get one each before they leave to go home today, because it's time for everybody to leave. Thank you.
Mayana, Tilly, Kiteo, Tanya. Yeah. Turn up, DJ. Turn it up. Turn it up. Give me some money. Yes. All these girls here. Come on, we're gonna have hands up. Come on. Hey, hey. Come on. If you want your oldies, you gotta dance for